Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2014. It's now 1:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed up again, and this is the third day in a row. The NADAQ was the big mover, up over 1.6%. The S&P closed up. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel. The price continues to consolidate between 1834 and 1885. We're beginning to approach the most recent high at 1884.75. Support is at 1732 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1885 as seen by the pink oval. The US dollar closed flat. It remains in its downtrend channel, as seen by the red dashed lines. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval, and support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, April 1st. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. We again have two strong currencies and two weak currencies. There are four qualified pairs. We have the Aussie dollar yen, the New Zealand dollar yen, the Aussie US dollar, and the New Zealand US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for April. For open trades, the Aussie dollar yen trade remains open. Target number 1 was hit and 2 micros were closed. We're still long 2 micros at 94.79. Target number 2 is 96.75, and our stop loss is at 94.79. For new orders, no new orders were placed today. Let's first look at the price chart of our open trade on the Aussie dollar yen. As you can see yesterday, 2 micros were closed at 95.77. Target number 2 is 96.75, and our stop loss is at 94.79, which is our entry point. We'll now look at the price charts for our other 3 qualified pairs. Here's the Aussie US dollar. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and this would be a bullish trade. And here's the New Zealand dollar yen. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and it would be a bullish trade. And this is the New Zealand US dollar. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and this would be a bullish trade. I did find one other Forex pair of interest today, and that's the US dollar yen. It's approaching the 21-day Donchian channel. A break of it would mean an entry at 103.86. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.